So the British automotive industry is going through some fundamental changes, and with the adoption of electric and hybrid technologies, it's revolutionising the skill sets that's needed by industry to keep Britain moving. At Mission Motorsport, since 2012, we've been helping service leavers and veterans find their way into new careers after the military. We've worked in partnership with the Institute of the Motor Industry and City and Guilds to develop our Level 2 and Level 3 EV courses, training people to IMI Tech Safe standards, qualifications that are needed to open the doors into industry. You'll learn alongside groups of your peers, fellow service leavers and veterans, recognising the military expertise that you bring in order to give you a flexible learning path to a new career after the forces. So for more details, visit our website missionmotorsport.org. Get in touch.